Ana Munoz, Reflective Journal 1. I was looking at all the standards we have, and my goal as a future administrator to be a visionary, to make positive change. I also like to learn how to be an expert in professional practice and really learn more about the digital age of learning and its culture. Do I have concerns? Yes, I do. I have a question about the tech badge. I submit a document, and now I realize I have to put in a comment to get a tech badge. How do I make this happen? What I hope to learn from this course, where I really want to learn more about technology. I find it to be the hardest part of this coursework, but I want to do it. And learn about policy to become a better teacher and admin. I have a lot of expertise to bring as an admin. I'm a veteran, distinguished teacher of 13 years and 4,000 students. I am trilingual, English, Spanish, Sign Language, and have translated over 300 IEPs, 504s, and SSPs. I love helping my students and staff and families. I'm currently admin designee and working on my admin degree. My friends tell me I have a heart of gold. I really like to help my community, and my admin degree will make that possible.